students. Good morning everyone. This is Keerthi ma'am. Today IT class. The next problem is fifth one. The problem number 5. The question already it is there. Nimatra already questions ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The compute tax liability in the following cases for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. The case 1. If the total income of Mr. G is rupees 3,20,000, the year is 42 year. The case 2, if the total income of Mr. P is rupees 3,40,000, year 43 years. Yes, in the 42 year, idu first format ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Because of 60 and less than 60 years iradinda we are going to take it the first format. The first format is up to rupees 2,50,000 is nil. The next one is 2,50,000 to 3,20,000. The 3,20,000 is the total income. We are going to take the 3,20,000 minus 2,50,000. The total is, the answer is 70,000 into 5 divided by 100. 70,000 into 5 divided by 100. The answer is 3,500. 3,500 is the answer. The total answer 3,500. The next one, less rebate under section 87A. We're going to take a rebate. Why we're going to take a rebate? Because of here the total income is less than 5 lakh, means 3,20,000 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ rebate ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. rebate ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The rebate under section 87A ಪ್ರಕಾರ 100% of total income. 100% of total income ಅಂದ್ರೆ the total income is 3,500 or this is 100% of total income or 12,500, whichever is less. The 100% of total income or 12,500, whichever is less. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12,500 ಗಿಂತ 3,500 is very less amount. We are going to take a 3,500 less ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the answer is nil. This is net tax liability. Net tax liability. This is the answer. The next one, case 2. The case 2, Mr. P is the total income is 3,40,000. The 53 years. The same format for first one. The up to rupees 2,50,000 is nil. The next one, 2,50,000 to 3,40,000. The 3,40,000 in the 2,50,000 na less ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The amount is 90,000 into 5 divided by 100. 5 divided by 100. The answer is 4,500. The total is 4,500. Here also we are going to calculate the rebate. Rebate under section 87A. That is 100%. The 100% of total income is 4,500 or 12,500, whichever is less. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is 4,500 only. The same amount. The total is nil. Total is nil. Less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Less ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ nil amount ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. The nil amount, this is net tax liability. Net tax liability. This is the answer. Understood, students? Yes. The case 1, the total income is 3,20,000. The 3,20,000 The first format we're going to take. The first is up to rupees 2,50,000 is nil. Then the next one is 2,50,000 to 3,20,000. The less amount is 70,000. 70,000 into 5 divided by 100. 3,500. The 3,500 we have to calculate the rebate. The rebate is 3,500 or 12,500, whichever is less amount you're going to take in the outer column, that is 3,500 only. The 3,500 and 3,500 going to less, the answer is nil, that is net tax liability. The same thing in the case 2 also. The total income is 3,40,000. The up to rupees 2,50,000 is nil. The 2,50,000 to 3,40,000. The 5% we are going to calculate. The 90,000 into 5 divided by 100. The answer is 4,500. Next, let's rebate under section 87A. That is 100%. 100% of total income is 4,500 or the 12,500. Whichever is less, the amount is 4,500 only. The same amount going to less. The total answer is nil only. That is net tax liability. This is the answer. Is in the next problem. The problem number 6. The problem number 6. The compute tax liability in the following cases for the assessment year 2020, the 2021. The case 1. The total income of Mr. X is rupees 10,20,000 72 year. The case 2, if total income of Mr. Z is rupees 19 lakh 82 year. Yes. Yes, the Mr. X rupees 10 lakh 20,000. This is 72 year. This is senior citizen ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The senior citizen ಅಂದ್ರೆ second format ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The case 2 Mr. Z is rupees 19 lakh. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 82 years ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 80 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The first one is case 1 up to rupees 3 lakh. This is second format. Senior citizen. The 3 lakh is nil. Up to 3 lakh is nil. Next 3 lakh to 5 lakh. The remaining amount is 2 lakh into divided by 5 divided by 100. The answer is 10,000. The next one is 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Remaining amount is 5 lakh into 20 divided by 100. The answer is 1 lakh. The answer is 1 lakh. The next one 10 lakh, above 10 lakh 30%. The 10 lakh to 10 lakh 20,000. The 20,000 into 30 divided by 100. 20,000 into 30 divided by 100. The amount is 6,000. The next one we have to add. ಈ ಮೂರು ಏನಿದೆ 10,000, 1 lakh and 6,000 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1,16,000. This is the total income. 1,16,000 is the total income. Next, we're going to add a health and education cess. Health and education cess. The health and education cess is a 4%. The 1,16,000 into 4 divided by 100. The 4 divided by 100. The answer is 4,640. 4,640. The total answer is 1,20,640. 1,20,640. This is the net tax liability. Net tax liability. The case 1, the Mr. X is rupees. The total income is 10,20,000. The 10,20,000. This is we're going to take a second format because of less than 8 years. The up to rupees 3 lakh is nil. The next one is 3 lakh to 5 lakh, 5% we're going to calculate. The 5 lakh in the 3 lakh na minus madre 2 lakh into 5 divided by 100, 10,000. The next one 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20% we're going to calculate. The 10 in the 5 na minus madre 5 lakh, 5 lakh into 20 divided by 100, 1 lakh. The next one 10 lakh to 10 lakh 20,000. The answer is 20. Sorry, calculation madre 20,000. 20,000 into 30 divided by 100. The 30 divided by 100. The answer is 6,000. We have to add. The total is 1,16,000 is the total income. In that total income, we have to calculate the health and education cess. That is 4% of health and education cess. We have to calculate. The answer is 4,640. The total answer is the 1,20,640. 1,20,640. 1,20,640. That is the answer. Yes. In the next one, case 2. The Mr. Z is rupees 19 lakh. ಇಲ್ಲಿ more than 82. 80 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 82 years ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we are going to take a third format. The third format is up to rupees 5 lakh. Up to rupees 5 lakh. That is nil. Next 5 lakh to 10 lakh. 10 lakh 20%. The 5 lakh into 20 divided by 100. 1 lakh. The next one is 10 lakh to 19 lakh. The 9 lakh into 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100. 2,70,000. 2,70,000. The 10 lakh to 19 lakh. 19 lakh in the 10 lakh na minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 lakh ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The 9 lakh ಗೆ 30% calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Calculation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2,70,000 answer ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the total 3,70,000. Next, we're going to add a health and education cess. Health and education cess. That is 4%. The 3 lakh total income amount is 3,70,000 into 4 divided by 100. 4 divided by 100. The answer is 14,800. The total net tax liability is 3,84,800. This is the total tax liability. The net tax liability is 3,84,800. This is the answer. In the case 2, the Mr. Z, the 19 lakh total income is 19 lakh. The up to rupees 5 lakh going to take, that is nil. The 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20% we have to calculate. The 5 lakh to 20 divided by 100 is 1 lakh. The next one is 10 lakh to 19 lakh. We're going to calculate it 30% of interest. The 9 lakh to into 30 divided by 100 is the answer is 2,70,000. The 2 also we're going to add, that is total income is 3,70,000. The next we're going to add a health and education cess. The health and education cess answer is 14,800. The total net tax liability, that is 3,84,800. This is the problem. Just once note kodi ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.